ముంబై గేట్వే ఆఫ్ ఇండియా సాక్షిగా 26/11ని ఉగ్రవాద మూకలు ఒక పీడకలగా మార్చేస్తే 26/1 దేశం పట్ల మనకున్న నమ్మకాన్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు పెంచుతూ భవిష్యత్తుకు మనం ఏం చేయాలో గుర్తు చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. నేటి బాలలే రేపటి పౌరులుగా తీర్చిదిద్దడంలో సెలబ్రిటీలు కూడా ముందుకొస్తున్నారు. సో రిపబ్లిక్ డే సందర్భంగా టీవీ9 అందిస్తున్న స్పెషల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్.
ఈ పరుగు ఆట కాదు, ఆట విడుపు అంతకన్నా కాదు. ఈ పరుగు రేపటి కోసం. అందుకే మ్యారథాన్ ద్వారా తమ ఆత్మవిశ్వాసాన్ని పెంపొందించుకుంటూ లక్ష్య సాధనకు ఎంతో దగ్గరవుతున్నామనే ఆనందాన్ని పొందుతున్నారు.
I'm very proud. I'm running for my own NGO. I'm running for Think Peace organization, and all the funds we've raised is going to go towards giving education to the kids, nutrition to the kids. So we had an unforgettable journey, but I think every minute of it is worth it because it goes back to a child. Next year I'm going to make a change. I'm going to do 21 kilometers.
ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే వారిని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడానికి సెలబ్రిటీలు వస్తూ ఉంటారు. కానీ వారితో పాటు పరిగెత్తే స్టార్స్ చాలా తక్కువ. ఆ లిస్ట్లో కాజల్ అగర్వాల్ చేరారు. ట్రైబల్ పిల్లల ఆహారం చదువు కోసం 10 కిలోమీటర్లు కేవలం 1 గంట 10 నిమిషాల్లో ఛేదించి అందరికీ స్ఫూర్తినిచ్చారు.
अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था, बहुत ही मज़ा आया भाग के. क्राउड बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है. पिकअप एंड टेल देम वेयर वी आर. क्राउड बहुत ही सपोर्टिव था, बहुत ही इनकरेजिंग था. रोड पे भागना बहुत मुश्किल है. जो ट्रेडमिल पे कर सकते हैं रोड पे नहीं हो सकता. मैं रनर नहीं हूँ बेसिकली. ये मेरा पहला रन था, मेरा पहला मैराथन था और आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई हैव डन इट. माय टाइम हैज़ बिन 1 hour 10 minutes for 10 kilometers and this is a record for me, so I am really happy.
जब आप दौड़ रही थी तो क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था आपके?
नाश्ता. ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाऊंगी?
और अभी क्या मन में है कि मतलब लाइक यू फील टायर्ड व्हाट्स योर?
No, I'm very excited. I'm not tired. It's just a very exhilarating feeling. The crowd is so amazing that you don't really think about whether you're tired or not.
Yes, that is the cause for running.
I'm running for Think Peace, as on my t-shirt. And this is to basically provide means and education to tribal children in Aruku Valley in Vizag. And we've already built a lot of schools. We've collected a lot of donation. Thank you everyone who've supported us, who've donated so generously. And a big thanks to Sriram, who's come from Hyderabad. He's my trainer in Hyderabad. I've been working out with him for the past 7 years. And Prashant has been training me in Bombay. And they've been very supportive, very, very encouraging. And a big thank you to you guys.
एनी मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगी पब्लिक को?
गोल रखिए और फिर बस भागते जाइए. किसी और चीज़ के बारे में सोचो ताकि गोल का याद ना आए लेकिन अकम्प्लिश हो जाए.
एक बार एक जो नया एंथम है, सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है, निकल पड़ो तो मुमकिन है. इसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
हाँ जी, मैं बिल्कुल इसमें विश्वास रखती हूँ. जो आपने ठन के रखा है वो बिल्कुल मुमकिन है. बस सीधा देखते जाओ और पीछे ना मुड़ो.
రిపబ్లిక్ డే సందర్భంగా మనం కాజల్ అగర్వాల్ని వేరే కోణంలో చూపించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. హాయ్ కాజల్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
Hi, very good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. ఐ థింక్ ఈ ప్లేస్ లో మీరు హీరోయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ ప్లేస్ కు వచ్చారా లేదా? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్
I always come here.
Uh-huh.
I live here. I live around the corner. So
then tell us about this place, Taj.
Well, this is a very historic place, and I come here once a year for Karwa Chauth because my mom breaks her fast literally over here
ఓకే.
because you can see the moon from here. And I've grown up in this area, Kulaba. My school was here. My college is around the corner. So this place is obviously very dear to me. It's home to me.
Yes.
And of course the iconic Taj, which we all know.
Yeah.
It's very special to us. My parents got married in this hotel.
Serious? Wow.
Yeah, those many years ago, my parents got married here. And we've been coming here every year for some celebration or the other.
బట్ నాకు 26th అనగానే ఇంకొక 26th గుర్తొస్తుంది.
We're still all very upset about it. And that's one of the scariest things where imagine if somebody comes inside your house and attacks you. It's literally like that. And that very evening, in fact, I was supposed to come to Wasabi for dinner. I literally was just supposed to go there for dinner and I did not, luckily. And I was driving around when we heard of these things. So it's such a normal thing and it was very sad for all of us because it was so unexpected.
కాజల్, మేము మిమ్మల్ని చాలా మూవీస్లో చూసాం, చాలా గ్లామర్ డాల్, మీరు చాలా అవార్డ్స్ గెలుచుకున్నారు. బట్ హౌ వుడ్ యూ డిఫైన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ వెన్ యువర్ అలోన్?
I think of myself as a very normal girl and not only about when I'm alone, even otherwise. I think I'm one of the most normal people ever and this keeps me very grounded. It keeps me very sane and I've always been like that. I mean, I don't think I've changed just because I've entered the movies. For me, it's a 9 to 5 job and after that I resume my normal life, go home, spend time with family, spend time with friends. That's how it is.
మీకు ఇంకా స్కూల్ డేస్ గుర్తున్నాయా? అప్పట్లో రిపబ్లిక్ డే, August 15th ఎలా
Of
సెలబ్రేట్
course.
చేసుకున్నారు గుర్తుందా?
చాలా బాగా తెలుసు నాకు గుర్తుంది. My school is around. It's in Colaba only, St. Anne's. And we used to hoist the flag every year on the 15th or 16th. We used to celebrate in a really big way. So of course I remember it very clearly.
ఇప్పుడున్న జనరేషన్కి ఏమైనా డూస్ అండ్ డోంట్స్ ఏమైనా చెప్తారా?
Well, I can talk about the do's. Focus on your growth. Focus on cultivating good relationships around you. It's very important because eventually you have to go back to people who are family. Focus on your goals and don't let anything distract you from that. It's okay to not attend social events like birthday parties or whatever parties. It's more important to focus on what you want to do eventually in your life. And
Don't.
focus on basically just work hard and have a lot of perseverance. And I think that's what is the key. That's been my journey and that's what I have prioritized in my life and I believe that that's the only way to success.
ఓకే. ఆర్ యూ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ అ సింగిల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్?
I am supporting wherever I can and child education is a cause which is very close to my heart. And right now I'm trying to focus for Think Peace, trying to collect funds for them and try to help them in whatever possible way. And also there's this organization, international organization called Dexterity, which I'm a part of, which again provides equal platforms for underprivileged children and works in a lot of villages in India. And I'm a panelist, a board member for them as well. And it just feels nice to be able to give back to society. Society's given me so much love. The audiences have accepted me so easily. So they treat me like their family member. So I just feel it's my responsibility to be able to do whatever I possibly can.
చాలా గ్రేట్ అసలు. తను ప్యారిస్లో ఉండి కూడా షీ వాజ్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఆల్ అరౌండ్ ఇన్ ప్యారిస్ అండ్ దెన్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ 2 months షీఈస్ బీయింగ్ ట్రావెలింగ్. అయినా కూడా తను టార్గెట్ని అచీవ్ అయిందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు గో అండ్ సీ హర్. అండ్ అలాగే ఇంకా సాయిధరం తేజ్ ఉన్నాడు. సో హీ వాంటెడ్ టు ఆల్సో హీస్ అవర్ అంబాసిడర్. సో హీ రియలీ ట్రైడ్ హిస్ బెస్ట్ టు కమ్. బట్ కానీ మూవీ రిలీజ్ ఉండటం వల్ల అనుకోకుండా రాలేకపోయాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ వీల్ ట్రై టు పుల్ హిమ్ ఆల్సో. And also my whole team, everyone have put so much work. Everyone's busy. There are software engineers, there are lawyers, there are media people. Alage Nandini and Chepi 11 years pilla, she's there. She's being supporting us. She have raised over 1 lakh. That means she's going to feed at least a good 100-200 kids for a while, in our tribal villages. Republic Day ante, if you see our merchandise, it is this is a tribute to our Jawans in the border. Like as I said, like recently Tej said in Jawan movie, like Desam Mundala Tarvata Edaina Kuda. That is what we believe in. Every step we took and every sweat we have gone through is all for our country's future, especially our children in tribal villages. Our idea is to bring tribal children and people in urban children together. That is our goal. So hopefully that is the reason we are coming all the way to Mumbai.
What do you say about your success rate?
First of all, I really consider myself very blessed and fortunate. I really believe that it's the audience who makes me. And the fact that they've accepted me with so much of love is the biggest blessing that I could have got. And besides that, yes, luck is a major factor for this. For anyone to be successful, of course, it's important to be. Luck does play a major role. We are all talented people. There are many hardworking people. All of that happens, but then a certain amount of divine intervention has to happen. So,
Do you believe in God?
of course, I believe in God. Yeah, I believe in God, but I'm more spiritual than religious.
Would it be much harder? Like, you know, ఇంతకుముందు I'll do whatever I want to do అలా చెప్పేవారు, బట్ ప్రీవియస్ టైంతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే would it be much harder to say like that in this film industry?
It's easier now. We have communication is more open now. It's more transparent. There are so many different ways. People have taken notice of things. I do believe times are changing. It's not as bad as people make it to seem. And I do believe that we are in a good space as women in cinema right now, because there are a lot of films being made on female protagonists. I have done films which revolve around me, which I'm the central character of the film. Of course, the difference is that earlier we were not in a position of choice. Now we are in a stage in life where we can pick and choose what we want to do.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ వెయిటర్ వచ్చి మీకు ఏమైనా ఫుడ్ ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే వాట్ వుడ్ యూ ఆర్డర్
Right now,
రైట్ నౌ?
something healthy, maybe some kebabs and tandoori stuff and salad. I balance my diet with fiber, protein and carbs. So I basically need to eat these three things in whatever is available to me in whatever possible way. Vegetables don't necessarily have to mean salads. They can be normal cooked vegetables with little bit of oil. It doesn't really matter. Carbs can be anything. I prefer rice over anything else. And protein. I'm vegetarian right now, so I would eat lentils, dal, tofu, soya. So children all over the world don't have any sort of deficiencies, but there are a lot of children that who do not come from backgrounds which A, probably don't know, B, probably can't afford it. So for those children, of course, deficiencies when they grow up will be a massive deterrent. And it's very important for children to eat a balanced, healthy, nutritious diet. And I think as individuals, we should all do our bit to either provide education, knowledge, exposure to people like that, people who are underprivileged, or provide means like provide them with the food or provide them with other sort of means so that they can balance out their meals.
మీరు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు సర్వీస్ సంబంధించి వాట్ వుడ్ యూ సజెస్ట్ దెమ్?
I would request them to come out and help in whatever way possible, contribute in whatever way possible, try to volunteer or basically try to involve yourself with a social service that's very dear to you and it means something to you, and invest a little bit of your time from your busy lifestyle to actually give back to society.
లెట్స్ గెట్ బ్యాక్ టు మూవీస్. ఒక చిన్న ఫన్నీ క్వశ్చన్ యాడ్ చేస్తాను నేను. మీ మెమరీ పవర్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది?
Chala bad.
చాలా బ్యాడ్. ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది అనుకున్నా. ఇట్స్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ మూవీ. ఈ సీన్ చూసి మీరు నెక్స్ట్ మీరు అసలు సీక్వెన్స్ ఏంటి, ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, ఏమన్నా మీకు అసలు గుర్తుందా లేదా? నేను అసలు సౌండ్ పెట్టండి మీకు.
Yes, I remember it very well.
ఓకే.
So she's showing me a scene from Lakshmi Kalyanam, my first film, and in this scene, Kalyanram and me meet for the first time at a wedding, and there's a song that happens, and then after that, he tells me about basically we're talking about marriage, and
I want that exact dialogue.
I don't know the dialogues. I don't remember.
దట్ లక్ష్మీ కళ్యాణం అమ్మాయి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇలా చూస్తున్నామంటే సచ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్.
I think it's just growing up. Everyone goes through this. Of course, I was a kid at that point of time. I did not know anything. I did not know how to face the camera. I had never done anything like this before. Now, with the experience and the number of films I've done, there's obviously a lot more confidence. I know my craft. I know what I have to do. I know how I will look good. I know in what angle my face looks better. I understand these things much better now. And at that point of time, I did not know anything.
ఓకే.
It was the first time I was facing the camera.
So tell us about this. How did you get this offer?
I was in school.
సీరియస్లీ
And at that point of time, a friend of mine was the casting director for this film.
ఓకే
And she was looking for roles, and at that point of time I decided, okay, this will be great because I can bunk my school, go chill, and plus earn money. Wow, and such a young age. And then, you know, hang with like all the amazing actors. So I decided to do it. And it was a 15-day shoot. 15 days basically I went for. And it was a great experience. But at that point of time, I never thought I'd become an actress. I was too young to decide. Much later in life, when I got opportunities, I pursued them, and that's why I'm here now. But at that point of time, I had no idea of being an actress.
సో 10K రన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడన్నా మీరు ఇలా రన్ చేశారు?
No, I'm not a runner. This is the first time I'm doing this.
సో ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అయితే?
So first, let me tell you about the exercise routine. Usually, I do a lot of yoga, Pilates. I do strength training, weight training, but I don't focus so much on cardio and running. This is the first time I'm doing it. And for me, this is a very big achievement as a physical goal achievement because I have bronchitis asthma. So this helps me to, I have to overcome that to kind of control my breath and, you know, control my breathing techniques and things like that. So of course, I've worked very hard for it. Also, I've taken this very slowly. I've been practicing for about 3 months now, 2.5 months. And I literally started from like 1 kilometer and then slowly built it up. So it has been a very gradual process. But I hope to do the 21 soon.
What would you say about our army, Indian army?
Too much of gratitude and kudos to our Indian army, and so much respect for all of you. And we are all so grateful as Indians to be protected by such a strong force like you guys. And I think our safety, and we can sleep peacefully at night because we know that you all are out there fighting each and every single day.
See, off the screen చాలా మంది హీరోస్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు పొలిటికల్ ఎంట్రీ ఇస్తున్నారు. లైక్ యూనో, అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ వర్క్డ్, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్తో వర్క్ చేశారు, విశాల్తో వర్క్ చేశారు. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేసిన? బట్ వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఇంతకుముందు మాట్లాడేవారా? మూవీస్లో వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు పాలిటిక్స్ గురించి ఏమైనా మీతో డిస్కస్ చేశారా ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడైనా?
I'm not very inclined towards politics, so I've never really spoken to them about it. But yes, little bit. They are great orators. They have leadership skill. So I really hope that they all succeed in whatever endeavors they'd like to achieve.
ఎలాంటి చేంజ్ కోరుకుంటున్నారు?
I think the education system should be upgraded. We still follow a very textbook method of education where we force our children. I've grown up like I've literally mugged up. Ratta mar ke we used to go to school and then go and puke in the paper. And that's it. I don't remember anything else after. So that's not really the way to educate a child. Times are changing. Now everything is digital. Everything, there's so much technology. You know, there's so much technology and there's so much progression and like evolution in every form. So you can't stick to the traditional way of educating your kids. You need to make it more interactive, make it more personal. Give your kids a choice. I mean, if someone is not inclined towards history or like math, there are other things that you can encourage that they probably are inclined towards. If someone is inclined towards dance or craft, it's okay to let your kids pursue those kind of fields. It can become a profession. You never know. You know? So every child does not have to study to become a doctor or an engineer. It's okay to study different things also. It depends on the child's aptitude and the child's interest. I think we should make it more personal.
ఇన్ కేస్ ఒకవేళ మీకు ఏమైనా ఇందిరాగాంధీ లేకపోతే పూనం బేడి ఎవరైనా సరే ఒక రాజకీయ నేత క్యారెక్టర్ ఇస్తే ఎవరిని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు? ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేయడానికి మీరు ఇష్టపడతారు? పొలిటికల్ లీడర్ పరంగా ఆర్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ ఉమెన్?
I think Indira Gandhi's had a very interesting life. Or maybe Amma.
10K రన్ చేయడం ద్వారా ఫండ్ రైజ్ చేయడం అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
So we are doing this for Think Peace, which is obviously schools that we are building in tribal areas in Arakku, and it is going to spread to other areas as well. Right now we are focusing on Arakku, supporting children, providing them meals, providing them education, providing them in their personal way. It's not, you can't just teach a child in English or in Telugu when they do not understand the language. You need to teach them in languages that they understand. They're tribal kids. So we've got people who speak both the languages and who are out there volunteering, doing this as a part of social service and teaching these children. So I wanted to raise funds for this particular cause, and I have been associated with Think Peace for many years now, and basically just try to provide a better livelihood to these tribal kids who've never even seen basic things, like they've never seen electricity. They just got electricity in their villages.
Well, thank you so much. So, conclude చేస్తూ రిపబ్లిక్ డేకి మీరు ఇచ్చే మెసేజ్ టు ద పీపుల్.
Well, all I'd like to say is a very, very happy Republic Day. Please be very conscious of your space, your surrounding, your city, your environment, your country, and do whatever you can to help people around you. Do whatever you can to help your country grow. And of course, you are your own focus. So always keep that in mind. Lots of love.